Thanks for checking out AIPRM, the #1 Chrome extension that you put on top of ChatGPT with the massive prompt library to do everything you need for home services. We're talking social media, emails, local marketing, and that's what I'm going to walk you through in this video. So AIPRM, you install it for free and you can get access to our prompt library. Now, if you are a home services professional, say you are a plumber, an electrician, a handy person, a landscaper, or you're doing the marketing for that business, you have so much on your plate and you know how important local marketing is. It's really about that. Who is your prospect, your audience in your local target? So I'm going to walk you through a couple of specific prompts we have that you can start using today to get yourself more prospects, grow your business, bring in more revenue, all those things that matter when you are so busy helping out all of your customers with their various home services needs. Okay, so when you go into AIPRM on the website, we've got this entire prompt library where you can search across a range of different topics and activities and the most popular ones, but I've got a couple that I've picked out specifically for you to start today. First off, if you are working in local, like I mentioned, you need an awesome Google business profile, right? You need a good Yelp profile. Maybe you're on Thumbtack or Home Advisor or Angie, all these different citation listing sites. You need to optimize, right? So your potential clients can find you. So what this first prompt that I have is a local citation optimizer, local SEO for Google business profiles, used to be called Google My Business. So what I'm going to do in this example is here's AIPRM on top of ChatGPT with all the different prompts. You click on the prompt and then it appears below. So now all I need to put in is my business name and what I do and where I am. So in this example, and you'll see this live with me, we're going to put in Electric Slide is an electrician in Las Vegas, because you got to think in Las Vegas, there's a lot of sort of electricity issues that happen. So let's see what happens when we click enter, and ChatGPT is going to start putting out all the content you need to optimize this citation. One of the great things is we have a massive group of prompt engineers that are building these custom prompts for you to use that are part of the public library. So what do we see we got here? The best categories for our business: Electric Slide, electrician, electrical installation services, electrical subcontractor. These are all categories that you can use on your Google business profile. So when someone searches for an electrician near me, you're more likely to show up. Keywords, you want to be there for the right keywords that they're searching for. The short business description, it's your trusted Las Vegas electrician specializing in prompt and reliable electrical services. Like, that's on point. And obviously with any sort of generative AI content, you're going to want to edit it, review it, make sure it's exactly what represents your brand. But then we have a longer business description. We have list of services, everywhere Electric Slide should list itself. So this is great because it actually goes through specifically home services, the different review sites and listing sites that you should be on, a bunch that I already mentioned here and some more. Now, one thing to keep in mind, ChatGPT trained on 2021 data, so it doesn't always have the most up-to-date, but with home services, so much of the stuff that you do is timeless. It's very similar. Sure, there are updates here or there, but a lot from before 2021 is the same. So good usage there. Okay, the next one we want to do is, with Google business profiles, you can actually come up with posts that you can put for advertising purposes. So in this one, we're going to do catchy Google business profile post generator. And we're actually going to use a real website. So if you have a website and you already list a bunch of your services and a bunch of what you do, what you can do is watch this. We'll go to this example one, Len the Plumber in New Jersey. I'm from Jersey, so I'm allowed to, make that accent, right? So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to copy everything on this homepage of this website, everything all the way down, keep going all the way to flexible financing, right? So I'm just going to copy, and then I'm going to go over, and we've got this prompt set up, you see, and it says insert your page content. Watch how easy this is. I'm just going to click paste. I'm going to click enter, and it's going to start producing actual posts that I can then put on Google Business Profiles. So when people find me, they can start reaching out, get the advertising, really, market your business. So it's going to start post option 1, experiment, take our time, because this is a ChatGPT 4, so it'll take a little time to kind of rev up and get going. But here we go. Experiencing plumbing problems, some emojis. Your home's plumbing service is complex. When things go awry, it can be more in the simple inconvenience. This is good copy. This is good copy for Len the Plumber Services. It's got his phone number in there. It's got a call to action, a click more that you could put right in the Google Business Pros. And this keeps going. This is a good quality amount of posts. Next up, say for instance, you really don't have your website information built out and you need to improve upon it, right? You have a business description, you have some keywords you want to go after. In this next prompt, we have SEO optimized website content. This is the type of stuff you want to put, the text you want to put on your website so you're more likely to be discovered for these keywords, right? So the next up here, we'll go to the prompt, it's set up. We're going to use this description for the Handy Help Home Solutions. We've got a nice description of it, that they're dedicated to simplifying their life one project at a time. Really nice. Customer satisfaction is the top priority. And then we've got 5 target keywords here. Now, one thing to keep in mind with AIPRM is on our premium plans, we offer custom tone and writing styles. So this would be added to the prompt to make sure that whatever is generated by ChatGPT is actually in the tone and writing style of your brand. You don't have to do this, but when you upgrade to the premium level, you can get that. So you see all these different tones, like we want us to be friendly, it could be humorous, could be informational, educational, and then writing style. This is our website, right? So do we want it to be creative, descriptive? I'm going to go with persuasive on this, right? So then we're all set in here. And one other thing is when you're using ChatGPT, you can put in your personal profile information. So you can use these custom profiles where you can load ChatGPT up with all the info about your business so you don't have to put it in every single time that you're using it for a social media prompt. Like it already knows about you when you use this business profile intro. But you can go to our tutorials on how to use that. For this, we're focusing on home service professionals, and in this case, how to build out some really cool website content. So it's got its information, the description, it's got the keywords, and boom, we're starting to see what we can put on our website that will really market it well in an SEO optimized way. So talking a little bit about the Handy Help Home Solutions, make your home shine with our expertise, repair services that you can trust. And you can see how it bolds the keywords that we want to showcase. Plumbing solutions in this case, because maybe your handy person service has plumbing solutions, furniture assembly. So sections for each of these keywords that we're targeting. And then boom, just like that, you've got all of this website copy that you can put on a simple, WordPress website or a Wix website, and you don't have to spend hours trying to craft it perfectly. Now, you'll probably want to review it and make sure that it is kind of exactly what you're looking for. You're the expert, so you know what you do inside and out. But you can use this, and then you can just add, continue, because it is a conversation. You can actually use Power Continue, which is a feature on AIPRM, which allows you to keep going with your prompt, like really quickly. So you don't have to write a full new prompt. It's just like clarify, expand, explain, rewrite, all that jazz. Okay, so finally, this is, if you're in home services, you know how important online reviews are to your business. If you get some bad online reviews, it's really hard to get new customers because they all look at that. If you have great online reviews, then boom, you're gold. You still want to respond to them as a business owner. As for good reviews, you want to make sure that you say, thank you. I appreciate you leaving us a great review. But for those negative reviews, you want to address it because not only is it important to provide great customer service to your clients, but other people are looking at how you handle those situations. If you just leave a negative review blank, then the next customer is going to look at it and they're going to be like, if something bad happens to me, like, how do I know this business is going to help me out? So we got a cool prompt that can actually help you respond to reviews. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to grab a real life negative review for an HVAC company, right? And we've got the name, we got the 1 star, we've got the review, and we're going to put it in here for this Google Business Profile Review Response Generator. So we've got the review there, 1 star from Kevin, and this is actually going to provide 3 different review responses that you can then, edit yourself, make sure it looks good, copy, paste, save you so much time. And there are prompts in here that actually let you do reviews in bulk, where you just get a whole list of all your reviews and then it generates the responses. But here we go. Okay, so first one. Hi, Kevin. First and foremost, sincerely apologize. It's empathetic. It's essential to me that our firm's inspection services are conducted professionally. So addresses specifically what is mentioned in the review. It's not just completely boilerplate, generic review response. It's actually addressing what Kevin wanted. So there you go. That's a great response that'll show up on Yelp or whatever review website that you're using. There are so many different prompts that you can use ChatGPT for your home services. I didn't even get into, doing email marketing campaigns, doing any sort of social media posts. Like you can do Instagram generators, you can do this email outreach, do email newsletters. All of it can be done so simply with just one click on these AIPRM prompts on top of ChatGPT. As always, we'd love for you to try it out yourself. You just install the Chrome extension for free from our website. And if you have any questions, we have a community forum, as you can see, where you can hop on over and just post your question in a thread and someone will be happy to help you out. Make sure that you're getting the best prompts, because not only are all these prompts pre-built, but you can actually make your own prompts. You can create your own prompt to use over and over across your entire team, share them with a team list, get everybody using the same prompt so you have consistent prompts, whether it's, employees who are responding to your clients, because you can respond with customer service email prompts, or your social media. All that is covered with AIPRM. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, get in touch and give it a try yourself. I mean, it's free. That there's no reason not to.